Oh. 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 Yeah. No. Oh. Oh, this little car.
Smart to go like this.
Okay.
They tried, dude. They tried.
She's coming from the trees, because look at the puddle over there.
Dude, okay, get out my shoulders.
Wait. This has to be not gay when somebody drives by. Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm on Eric's back right now, because I'm wearing flip-flops.
Oh, fuck.
Hurry up.
Oh my god, how deep is it?
Go.
Fuck, dude, no, my fucking shoe will get fucking caught up in that. My fucking shoe is fucking soaked. How deep are these fucking streets?
There's a car.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, God. Alright, thank you, buddy. Eric, the sky is green over there.
Fuck me.
Maybe later. I'm tired.
What? What?
Dude, this weather's horrible.
Echo. Penis. Well, say. That's something they do from Ferris Bueller. What's love got to do with it? Got to do with it? Do you believe in love? That's
Okay, Cher.
Hey, I like Cher.
I'm Sunny. How are you?
Well, you are short, so is Sunny. Let the rain fall down, wake my dreams.